What's up guys, so for today's tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to download Windows XP in your VirtualBox. So let's get started. Alright, so first you want to go to the virtualbox.org website to download the VirtualBox. So you have options whether to download it on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Solaris. So in my case, I have already downloaded VirtualBox on the Windows. So I will be providing the link in the description below of this website. So let's now set up our VirtualBox on Windows. So I have it here in my desktop. Let's now set it. Okay. So click next. Then click next again. Click yes. Check all the checkboxes. Then click next. And then click install. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Alright, so I have finished downloading or setting up our VirtualBox. So let's now click finish. So now we need to download an ISO image for our Windows XP. So you might want to go in this website, which is the archive.rog. So I will be providing the link again in the description below for you to find this website. So we have options to download the ISO image, iTunes, JPEG, and torrent. So I chose the ISO image, but it took a lot of time for me to download it, so I'm just gonna skip that part. So let's now proceed in our VirtualBox. So just click new and the name of our file. So I'm just gonna name it Windows XP and then click the ISO image file. So in my case, it is located in the downloads folder. So open and then click next. Then check the username, password, hostname, and then in my case, you just leave it there. And then for the base memory, I would suggest that you increase this into 1024 megabytes. Right? So click next. And then in the virtual hard disk, I'll just leave this as 10 gigabytes. Then click next. And then finish. So let's now wait for our Windows XP to set up. I'm just gonna zoom this in. Alright, now it is booting up. So there are a few things more to set up for the Windows XP, so just bear with me, it may take a while. So now I'm going to be entering the product key for the Windows XP. So I have it here in my notepad. So the product key is also available in the archive.org website, which I will be providing the link in the description below. So this is the product key that was provided. So MRXTF, MRTX, oops, sorry, let me just, oops, sorry, MRXTF 4790 24873 KWKNF RP1. So let's now click next. Then a few more things to install the Windows. So just bear with me again, it may take a while. Alright, so I think we're almost done in our installation. So let's just wait. So we have finally heard the classic sound of Windows XP. So there you have it. We have already installed our Windows XP in our VirtualBox. So there you have it. You have finally installed the Windows XP in your VirtualBox. So I hope you learned something in this video. So follow me for more another tutorial like this. Bye!